Hello guys, do you know you can find any forgotten password of any app in your phone right inside your phone? Say for instance, you logged into your Facebook app before and you try to log in again some other time and you find out you have forgotten your password. Instead of going to reset your Facebook password, let me show you how you can find this same password, your old password, inside your phone. It is a trick that will save your time and save you stress. Let me teach you how you can do this inside your phone to find your forgotten password in your phone. So what you have to do is, when you come to your Android phone, first you go to your settings. You look for the settings in your phone. You click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you scroll down to Google services, Google. You click at the Google, it will load. When it loads, under your Gmail account, under your Google account, you will see manage your Google account. Manage your Google account. Under this your email name, that's your Gmail name. Click on that manage your Google account. It will take you to this particular interface. Then what you have to do is scroll this way, go this left hand side, and you find security. When you get to this security tab, then you click on the security tab. When you click on this security tab, you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you get to this password management. When you get to this password management, click on it. When you click on this password management, come down and you will see all the apps in your phone that you have entered with password before. All of them is here. In this particular phone I'm using here, I just have 3 apps. Like here I have, you see, Facebook is showing me 3 accounts, which means I have logged in 3 different Facebook accounts in this phone. I have logged in before. So if I want to get any of the password, I just click on the Facebook. Then you put the password of your phone. Let's say your phone, you locked it with password or pattern. Here I logged with pattern, so let me just open my pattern. Then when you open, you see these are the 3 of the Facebook accounts, all of them with the password. You see 1 here, 2 and 3. There are 3 of them. So any of the ones you want to see the password, you come to this particular place that they have the logo of I. When you click on that logo of I, then the password will show. If I go back, then you can see this internext.com. Here I click, you see. Then if I click on this I, and I will see the password. By doing this, you will be able to find all the password in your phone. If I go to Spotify music, then I click, I put here, I will see the password I used in logging in my Spotify music. So you can do this right now in your phone and you'll be able to know all your forgotten passwords that is in your phone. Thank you guys, and if you love this video, please subscribe, share and comment. If you do not know anything to tell me, say thank you and I will appreciate. God bless till we see in the next video. Thank you.